how much time is required to learn SEO. First of all, we need to understand that learning is a lifelong process. So you have to keep learning. Okay. The same thing applies to SEO. I've been learning SEO for the last 7 years and I'm improving my SEO skills every day. Okay. Now, if you want to learn from scratch, from basic, it will take at least 2 to 3 months if you are regular. If you are regular, if you have positive mindset, if you have passion, it will take 2 to 3 months to completely understand SEO. Okay. Now you understand everything about SEO. You have completed all the modules of learning SEO. But now you need to implement them, revise them, and see them how they are working in your real life. While you are implementing your learnings in your website or your on your client's website, you will see the results. There you will be able to understand what is working best for you and what is not. This is, I am telling you that when you are learning in a structured manner under a coach. Okay, if you have a coach, if you have a structured course, then you can learn fast. Maybe in 6 to 10 months, you will surely become a master. Okay, but if you decide to learn it on your own, it can take up to 5 years because there is a great difference when you try to learn something on your own or with your coach. So my recommendation is do not waste your time. Time is precious. Go join a coach. Whomsoever you find best, join that coach. Depending on your time, on your research, on your pocket, on your affordability, you should join a coach, join the best, then follow them. Once you join the coach, just follow him blindly because coach is coach. They are always the best. Okay. So if you want to learn SEO, even I have a few courses you can check. Just type in Google SEO course Suniltams Guruji, you will find one. Okay. And on this page also, if you're watching this video on my page, website page, below are the courses. If you're watching this video on YouTube, I have provided the link to join the SEO course. But you need to research in Google who is the best SEO coach in India, who teaches best, SEO Training Institute. You are free to search in Google. Search everything. If you like me, join me. If you like anyone else, join that person also. Not a problem. Thank you very much for being here. See you in the next video.